Kia ora. This is a Matariki Bingo game, also known as Pingo. There are 22 call cards, and each card has something to do with Matariki. On the back of the cards is some information about the picture. And when you're playing for the first few times, you can read the whole thing, and then after a while you can just read the name at the top. So there's 2 to an A4 page, and you can just cut and laminate them if you wish. So the great thing about this is your learners are gathering information as they play. Each of the boards are numbered. There's 31 of them. They can play in pairs or singly, and each one has got the name on the card. Now this is good because you can use it in your reading rotation for small groups. And it's a good way of integrating reading and Matariki. It can be played during Matariki or any time through the year.